Item 778. Concrete rail repair. 1. Description. Repair or replace damaged concrete bridge rail as shown on the plans and as directed. 2. Materials. Provide materials conforming to the pertinent requirements of the following items except as shown on the plans. Item 429, concrete structure repair. Item 450, railing, and Item 776, metal rail repair. Submit information on prepackaged repair materials, epoxy anchorage systems, and concrete mix design a minimum of 10 days before beginning work. 3. Equipment. Provide equipment in accordance with Item 429, concrete structure repair. 4. Work methods. Obtain approval for all materials and work methods a minimum of 10 days before beginning work. Repair or replace damaged concrete rail as shown on the plans. Perform the work in accordance with Item 429, concrete structure repair, and Item 450, railing, as directed. Contain concrete during removal from falling onto lower roadway or into waterway. Remove and replace full height of rail if damage exceeds 1/2 of the rail height, except as shown on the plans and as directed. Remove existing metal rail components and attachments and salvage for reuse when undamaged or reparable. Saw cut perimeter of concrete repair region 1/2 inches deep. Remove concrete to limits shown on the plans and as directed to remove spalled and delaminated areas. Increase repair length to remove the cracked concrete as directed where cracks associated with impact damage remain outside the specified repair area. Repair rail supporting structure, i.e., bridge deck, wing wall, etc., when damaged in accordance with additional items of work as shown on the plans and as directed. Include new rail anchorage reinforcing steel in supporting structure as required. Drill into undamaged base concrete and add epoxy anchored reinforcing steel to restore severed or damaged rail anchorage reinforcing steel. Provide epoxy anchorage system rated to obtain yield strength of bar being anchored based on the product literature for the epoxy and steel anchor being used. Use 60 KSI reinforcing steel. Clean and extend existing reinforcing steel and replace any damaged steel or add additional steel as shown on the plans. Restore shape of rail to match original. Provide surface finish to match original. Reinstall metal rail components and attachments where previously present. Salvage and reinstall metal components of expansion joint and joint seal to match existing conditions when repair and replacement occurs at an expansion joint. This work is subsidiary to this item. 5. Measurement. This item will be measured by the foot of rail repaired or replaced and by the each rail post repaired or replaced. 6. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for concrete rail repair, concrete rail replacement, concrete post repair, and concrete post replacement of the type 1 identified. This price is full compensation for removing and reinstalling metal rail components, for breaking back and restoring concrete rail, for furnishing and placing all materials, for salvaging and reinstalling existing expansion joints, and for all labor, tools, equipment, and incidentals necessary to complete the work.